Hello and welcome to Cars and SUVs. Today we will take a look at Honda and its Legend EX and its Honda Sensing Elite safety system with Level 3 automated driving features. Striving to realize a collision-free society based on its global safety slogan, "Safety for everyone," Honda has long been at the forefront globally in researching and developing safety technologies. With a vision to encourage people to explore their curiosity and to realize a joyous future where everyone can go anywhere freely with total peace of mind, Honda is introducing this Legend model equipped with the Honda Sensing Elite, which represents the new step forward in the area of advanced safety technology. Honda Sensing Elite is a variation of Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety and driver-assistive technologies currently available for Honda vehicles around the world. The name, Elite, represents the outstanding and elite technologies included in this latest variation. One of the elite technologies is the Traffic Jam Pilot function, an advanced technology qualifying for Level 3 automated driving, conditional automated driving in limited area, for which Honda has received type designation from the Japanese Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism, MLIT, *1. Traffic Jam Pilot technology enables the automated driving system to drive the vehicle under certain conditions, instead of the driver, such as when the vehicle is in congested traffic on an expressway *2. For vehicle control, the system determines the position of the vehicle and road conditions using data from the three-dimensional high-definition maps and the Global Navigation Satellite System, GNSS *3, and detects the vehicle's 360-degree surroundings using a number of external sensors. At the same time, the system tracks the conditions of the driver using the monitoring camera mounted inside the vehicle. Based on such a wide range of information, the main ECU makes proper recognitions, predictions, and decisions, and applies a high-level control of acceleration, braking, and steering to assist the driver to achieve high quality and smooth driving. Placing the highest priority on safety and reliability, the system development employed simulations where a total of approximately 10 million patterns of possible real-world situations were simulated, and a number of demonstration tests were conducted while driving test vehicles on expressways for a total of approximately 1.3 million kilometers, 800,000 miles. Moreover, the system incorporates redundant system design paying due consideration to safety and reliability in case some kind of problem occurs to any of the devices. Exterior equipment designed exclusively for this all-new Legend model includes blue accessory lights and a dedicated aluminum wheel. A number of sensors are embedded to make them less noticeable so that dignity and a stately appearance befitting a flagship sedan are further enhanced, while discreetly calling out the fact that it is a vehicle equipped with automated driving equipment. Interior equipment exclusive to this model includes Honda Sensing Elite indicator lights, which feature carefully selected respective positions, sizes, colors, brightness, and other details, as well as the 12.3-inch full LCD graphic meter. This equipment was adopted with due consideration to enabling the driver to intuitively understand the operating status of the system, driving situation, and requests for the transfer of control back to the driver issued by the system.
Thanks for watching Cars and SUVs. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.